Namaskar, this is Vishwa from Tech Labs. Today I'm going to show a brief demo about a WordPress plugin that is helpful to upload media files like images from third-party sources like any URL from the web. So briefly explain how it works, what is the use case actually. So here is the image. You can see this is being uploaded from internet actually. So I have created this plugin and I have tested that with API request from local API client, okay, like this. So I can give this, I want to upload this particular URL into WordPress website. So the problem currently I have been facing, maybe a lot of other users as well, that the WordPress actually uploading media from third party is been failing from in the automation use case or scenarios. It's been failing due to multiple reasons. So I have tried Public Connect, so WordPress regular API, and also I have tried Make connector. I tried N8N as well, and also tried RPA, Robo Motion RPA, to do these automations. The issue constantly we faced is like WordPress is throwing some error while uploading the image. So there we have updated this particular created this plugin to solve that problem. So this is like a simple basic authentication plugin, as well as it will also allow you to upload the image to WordPress media library. Okay, so this is the endpoint usually. So let me show how it works and what is the use case. So I will give that access if you want to try it yourself, and share from some feedback on that. Okay, so so basically I have tried this one. Okay, these are multiple images. This one you can see I have uploaded from that, and also that is JPG image, and this is AVIF image, and also this is PNG image, and there are some other PNG images like this. Okay, so you can upload all these images using that media library. I will show. Okay, this is the thing we have got from third-party source. You can also get from okay that okay, I'm just for testing purpose, so you can upload any image example. Okay, let's upload this. I don't know what type of image is this. So this is JPG. So copy this and upload here. Send a request. Okay, so here is a response. It is true, and ID is 126 media ID. Okay, so what is this? Okay, so here if you refresh, here is the image. This is what we uploaded. Image background, this one. Okay, so this is how it works. So these are simple use case, not so much complex. We build this to solve that particular problem. So contact me, message me if you want to try this out, and share feedback. Okay, thank you.